So I started reading this book last week, Never Get Angry Again by David J. Lieberman. And sa first part niya, ang sabi dito, the real reason why you are so angry. And sa part 1, it's making us understand na may reason behind our anger. Na pag galit tayo, we should take it as a sign that there's something that is happening that is not okay para sa atin. So parang fire alarm, di ba? Pag umalarm ang fire alarm, hindi naman natin sinisira yung alarm eh. Hinahanap natin yung apoy para mapatay natin yung apoy. Technically, ganun din siya if you're feeling mad or angry. You have to figure out what is triggering me. Is there something that's happening na sa tingin mo hindi fair or tama? May nangyayari na feeling mo na di-disrespect ka or nababastos ka. So, ang unang-una mong gawin kapag nagagalit ka na naman at gusto mong control yung anger mo is figure out, identify what is causing this anger. Ikaw ba? May na-identify kang reason bakit galit na galit ka lately? Share mo sa comments.